The matter becomes clear when we realize that Descartes suffered from the same monist disease as other skeptical and sophist theorists of knowledge. For Descartes, human thought in its general structure is one, and therefore true also can only be one. If there are many truths, then there is no truth. Truths all must be destroyed and rebuilt in order to preserve unity in thinking. One universal method had to be discovered, one universal knowledge created, one total pan-logical system of thought. Only then would it become possible to speak of progress in knowledge and cognition. And I thought Descartes held that the prime reality was not being beyond thought, but the being of ideas, as appears from his method, despite the change in the subject of philosophical speculation. The monist bacillus penetrate this territory also, and in infecting the new reality, the prime object of thought and speculation, it infected thought at its very center, for thought itself can have no value if is not submitted to the new method. Thus, the problem of the value of thought is here, at the key point in the history of philosophy, once more linked with the old problem of unity and multiplicity, just as it was in a slightly different field during a critical period of classical thought. And yet, there are branches of science where undoubted critical centrality exists, where there is constant progress. These are mathematics and physics, Newtonian obviously. These sciences do not end in antimonies as does philosophy. Why are the prospects for the exact sciences so favorable? Why do mathematics and physics develop so critically, and exactly empirical material received from without? They possess an exactly defined and clear conception of the object, not of external reality itself, nor of the concept itself, but of the concept and reality together. The proposition of these sciences are synthetic a priori. Being synthetic, they make possible real and continuous progress, while by their a priori character, they constitute the basis of certainty and necessity in the two sciences. Thus, if we wish to make a science capable of standing up to criticism, we must first be clear what in its object is received, and what is organized by ourselves through our subjective a priori categories. If we do this, there will be no talk of the inverifiability of any science, since all human cognition falls under the cognitive apparatus discovered by Kant. Here, metaphysics are of course not involved, since in them no material is received from outside. The topics of metaphysics, substance, causality, God, are in no way given us. They are our a priori pure forms of thought, but without content. For this reason, scientific metaphysics is an impossibility.